Okay, the show is live. It's supposed to be live. It is actually live. Gopal Datt Tiwari, our leading actor, my colleague and friend for 20 years, has not turned up yet. He's struggling somewhere. So let's find out because he's a bit of a late Latif. I don't want to catch him, but we have to catch him. So I'm going to call him live and spit like a bakra. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there it is. And now I will address him with love. प्यार से बात करता हूँ मैं. Beauty.
What have you done? Pick
Beauty.
up.
Yes, I said.
अबे गांडो, लाइव है शो. कहाँ है तू?
आ गया. बस मेल खोल रहा हूँ.
सर ये दिल्ली का टाइमिंग नहीं है, मुंबई का टाइमिंग है. मेल खोलने के टाइम हो गया 9:55 पे. हेलो सर, सच में गोपाल, इट्स लाइव. पीपल आर लिसनिंग टू दिस कन्वर्सेशन थिंकिंग व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद दिस एक्टर. व्हाई इजंट ही हियर?
ओह शिट. तो किस मुझे हाँ.
अब बोल बहाना क्या है बताओ.
मिल गया रुको.
अभी मेल मिल गया. We sent, ladies and gentlemen, we sent the mail at 7:30 in the morning. So don't blame us. Don't look at us. The mail is there.
You're entering a broadcast studio.
अच्छा. Oh, beautiful. तो आपका कहने का मतलब है you're giving us a live feedback of how you're late on the live feedback. I can't see you. No one can see you. It's a live show and no one can see you yet. Silver.
You will enter the studio as a guest. The host can add you to the broadcast at any time.
Ladies and gentlemen, maaf kijiye, please. Apologies. I think Gopal is worse than me. First time on this kind of show. He's trying to figure out step one.
Now you will have to, the broadcasters will have to add me. The host can add you to the broadcast at any time. This is saying.
The host is no, Baba. You're already here.
Rishi,
here. He's not here yet.
He's not here. Oh, what?
No. He hasn't entered the studio.
Added. Folks, this is happening live because this show we don't lie. We never lie. We are transparent. The government should learn from us. We don't need Pegasus to investigate. Gopal is struggling. He's trying to get in, but the host he's saying is not allowed him entry, which means we have not allowed him entry. Now I will double check with our team. Rishi, can you hear me? Rishi, Roger, Rishi, can you hear me? Gopal कह रहा है कि उसको नहीं मिला ये invite.
I think he's gone to some other studio. He's not in our room.
What is my display name? Gopal Datt. Okay.
Your display name is Gopal Datt. Why would we call you Tejeshwar Singh?
Yeah, he's here. He's here.
Okay.
आ गया. Ladies and gentlemen, we cracked it. We have done it. India has won the World Cup. Yes. What a great moment. What great joy. अभी दिमाग फोन नीचे रख. We don't need the phone. Oh my God. This was Dumb and Dumber at its best. Good morning, Gopal.
Morning, Cyrus.
Sorry to wake you up so early, यार. मेरे को अभी ये खुशी खबर अभी मिला मुझे कि you're coming on the phone. I mean, you're coming on the show. I got it like 10 minutes before. I didn't know.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Ready. It's too early for me. It's like 4 o'clock for a normal person.
But what have you done? You took off your pods in the middle.
Yeah, but then I'll have to go. I want to wear the AirPods, but I think it's okay now. You can hear me, right?
नहीं sir.
No.
नहीं है.
So give me just 1 second.
But it's live, so can you do something to entertain the audience? Gaya. Unbelievable. This is the standard of discipline from actors today. Just when I asked him if he could keep us in the loop. वो है, आवाज तो है, Silver. You can hear the आवाज in the background. So he's the shadowy figure in the background. He's there.
Yeah.
This has been a beautiful entry for us into the podcast. And at 10:03, he's gone again.
Wow. What is
This is Pegasus Part 2. Someone is tampering with Gopal Datt. Are you there, Gopal, now?
Yeah. Yes,
fully ready?
I am fully ready, Cyrus. So, yeah,
okay.
Early in the morning.
I'll tell you a nice joke.
Ready?
Yeah. I'll just tell you a nice joke to begin so that you feel happy. Yesterday, Kunal and I were discussing what to buy Kanis for her birthday. And I suggested, let's get Kanis a book. And he said, but she already has a book. That's the joke. She already has a book. समझा नहीं समझा? Okay, बेटा, you're an actor. You're an actor, तो पता नहीं कि समझा या नहीं समझा. Important भी नहीं है, but expression तो सही था, perfect था. Let's Gopal, we've lost 3-4 minutes, but I want to start right at the beginning first. Obviously, आपका सबसे famous Avatar hai, Week That Wasn't, where you play many characters. World
It's my
renowned
life,
show.
Cyrus. It's my
It's your,
life.
it's your
It's my
life.
life.
Watched by
I was
160 million.
I was born to do with the week that wasn't. That's my
Yeah.
purpose of life.
वो देश भक्त का feeling है ना. It's like that patriotism, the kind of the love that you have, the
Correct.
national duty.
Yeah.
Let's go back in because the story is very interesting, यार. Because आपका जो background है, मेरे ख्याल से, and this is the modern story. It's like Dhoni in cricket or something else. There's nothing to do with entertainment. Nothing. Line of academics coming from an area very
Nothing.
close to Kumon. I mean, and to think where you are now and where you were born and where you come from, I think that is just a fabulous story. So let's, by lying about it to make it interesting also, let's go back in time, go back to the place of birth. Tell us about growing up a little bit, और उसके बाद
Yeah.
आपका frenetic journey सलमान खान के साथ तेरे नाम पिक्चर में, उसके बाद वीक दैट वाज़न्ट, उसके बाद इंटरनेट वर्ल्ड को कैप्टिवेट करते हैं, और उसके बाद ads. I think you have done some 100 ads in the last 2 years. So, and why you are not paying income tax? All these questions will be asked, and hopefully all the answers will be broached. But most important, Gopal Datt, go back in time, take us to Uttarakhand, China border पे, मेरे ख्याल से 25-30 मीटर बीजिंग से, you were born in a village or in a town called, वो नाम क्या था टाउन का?
Nainital. It's called
No, Nainital is the big town.
Nainital. Everyone knows.
Nainital is the
Cyrus,
big town. What is the
Nainital.
small actual town that you were born in? Nainital के
No,
पास.
I was born in Nainital only.
Oh, you were born in Nainital also.
No,
You're sure?
Nainital only. Proper Nainital.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Give us
Yeah, I'm
a little
sure.
bit. हमने shooting के time we discuss because I love all these stories of the hills. Ladies and gentlemen, 2-3 things you must know about this great man. One, he is a party in a sense. He comes from mountains, from that kind of cold climate of India. He is the person in our show who always wants a sweater,
Yes.
who always wants to put the AC off, who always comes in and starts giving gali galoch the moment we have finished shooting because the studio is so cold, because Kunal and I like it really cold. And it's amazing that this tough, hardy, pahadi guy from the mountains is always feeling cold. So मेरे समझ में नहीं आता कि ये कैसा हो गया, first and foremost. Born and bred in that atmosphere.
Cyrus, if you ask any Pahadi, they feel much cold. I mean, the Pahadi are not supposed to, they can't bear the cold. So every Pahadi is like that only. If you talk to any Pahadi, he'll tell you the same thing. We can't tolerate cold. That's why
But you live in
wear so many things.
9 months of
But
cold
we were
back
not,
in.
Cyrus, but we were not wearing t-shirts there. We were wearing jackets and sweaters and topies and all of that.
तो आपका कहना का मतलब है when you come to the studio you should dress like how you did when you were living in Uttarakhand. Is that what you're trying to say to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because the temperature is less than Uttarakhand. In our studio, the temperature is less than Uttarakhand.
We try to keep we want the actor to feel wanted, to feel comfortable. We try to recreate the home. If you understand, we've done all that. Green chroma पे हम mountains भी दिखाते हैं कभी-कभी, so that you feel your back. Okay, now let's get back to the fact that so you come from, your family was academics and teachers and educationists. Where did the bug for acting and where did all this start?
I can tell you this, Cyrus, but I think hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you, but I don't know what you're doing with your hands.
I'm saying
both gandhi यहाँ पे, because you put your hands down and then you're rubbing something in the middle, and this is not that kind of show. Please don't do all that. Just focus on your childhood. Tell us how you became an actor. Hands up, please, for the rest of the show.
I'm saying, okay. So I'm saying, I can tell you all of that, but the more entertaining thing will be if we can bitch about Kunal.
Of course.
That's boring. That's boring. My journey is boring in comparison of.
Just in 2 lines, but we'll come to Kunal in a second. Just 2 lines. I love to know कि कहाँ से कहाँ तक. Like there must have been some point. How do you come to NSD? How do you? I mean, why aren't you an engineer or a teacher? That's the question. And after seeing some of the shows, again, why are you not an engineer or a teacher? Sorry, go on.
See, the engineers are doing. So I was born.
अगर joke है तो बोलो, joke नहीं है तो आगे.
And then joke कुछ नहीं है इसमें. That's why I'm saying कि it's boring. If we can bitch
Okay,
about
and Gopal,
2.5, that will be more
yeah,
entertaining.
let's tell them the truth. Between two of us, we spent so much
हाँ.
time together. एक joke भी नहीं सुना. How many years have passed? Come on.
Correct. हमने देखा है बस कुणाल को. That is our entertainment.
ये
So
ये
no,
कुणाल का
finally,
tribute show
I
होगा.
was in Nainital. I was tribute show है. So and there was one, there is one theater group called Yog Manch, and my brother used to go there. He one day he said, he told me come and see the rehearsal, and luckily that day one actor was missing. So the director told me to read the part, one part, if you can read the part. I said yeah, and he said you have a lovely voice. Why don't you come from tomorrow? So I said yeah, I'll come, and that's how it started. Then I went to NSD for a show, and I thought this is the coolest place. This is the coolest school I ever went to, and I made this point that I'll come here, whatever I read, whatever I study. So I did my BSc. I was a science student. I was studying zoology, botany, chemistry, and then I was planning to do MSc chemistry. So, but मैं NSD गया, and all that academic is gone to, you know, gone for a toss. Then फिर मैं NSD आ गया. That's the
Okay,
story.
Gopal. For some reason, I hope it's not my internet, but I'm having a little trouble hearing you. Uh, can you just talk for about? Can you sing a song for 1 minute while I just double check?
Ah, la 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 la. La la la. Because my internet is fine. I can hear you clearly. I can
Yeah,
see
it
you
looks like it's
clearly.
mine. I'm getting
So
worried. But just continue singing whenever there's any trouble, because we are getting good feedback on the chat. Saying the singing is better than the
I'll,
conversation. Yeah. So every 30 seconds you want to, you can sing.
maybe
Huh.
if we can, if we two are if we can just keep quiet, that will be more entertaining than singing
हाँ
and
वो
chatting
वो
and
खिड़की के बाहर जो आवाज है, that's lovely. कौवा की आवाज भी है. You can hear all that. I don't know if you can hear on your feed. But I don't even
correct.
listen to the guests. I'm always listening to the
Correct.
birds. I don't know what you were talking about, NSD something. I didn't even pay attention. But getting back to that, give us a little
It's on.
2 minutes on the 2 minutes on the culture of NSD and all that. I mean, you suddenly land up with all these guys, aspiring performers, big egos, hot women. What was that period like?
Yeah. Uh, it was a great period. I mean, those 3 years are is the most valuable time of my life, because I was from Nainital, so my exposure was very little, and I was never been to a metro city, and then suddenly you're dealing with 60 people, 60 artists, 60 weird people. I think that was the biggest learning, how to deal with these weird egos, weird people, weird cultural. I mean, it was everything. It was like a small India in a building, you know. So that was the learning, how to deal with these people, how to keep your calm while talking to these people. That was the biggest learning of NST. I think that's why I can tolerate you and Kunal and our team, you know.
But before you come to abusing Kunal and me, and rightly so, what happens in NST? What, just give us a little idea about the training. Is it like voice modulation classes? Is it like theater classes? You study plays? You study literature? Is there like movement classes? I know you have to do makeup, which you didn't like that much as well.
No, so in NSD for the in first year you have to do everything. You have to learn everything, whether it's makeup, costume, movement, yoga, set design, everything. But from second year you can choose your specialization. You can go for acting or direction.
But
So
yoga का
if you
क्या
are
role
going,
है इसमें? What actor does yoga? What is yoga going to do acting? Please cancel yoga. There's too much yoga in the country. Yoga has to stop,
no,
yaar.
yoga. No, Cyrus. Yoga is the. I think every actor should do yoga. You know
No,
that it
no.
gives you
I
that
tried it.
flexibility. You know, Cyrus.
मैं तो
No.
flexibility नहीं मिला. मैं सो गया बीच में. It's just too slow. and too much counting involved,
No.
and holding a position for so long. I can't do all these things. It's beyond my capacity. So I don't understand what
मैंने एक
role
एक
yoga
अच्छा
plays.
मैंने एक बड़ा अच्छा जोक अभी पढ़ा था कि yoga says that all your problem will be solved if you sit uncomfortably for 20 minutes. That is yoga all about. You
See,
sit uncomfortably and then
Gopal, after 40, anyway, we are sitting uncomfortably only. There's very little comfort when we sit down. Something or the other. कुछ तो गिर जाता है, कुछ तो change हो जाता है body में. When I get up, one organ is shifted already 2 inches. Okay, let's get back to so
correct,
NSD.
correct.
You specialize finally in acting,
हाँ.
and then what happens? How did you come into big bad city of Mumbai? Where do you get the break first? क्या था? मेरे ख्याल से सब theater ही था पहला, and it was focus also theater. Yeah, you already was auditioning for shows and films.
No, I came here with no idea what I was completely blank. Then I got few offers. I mean, I was doing a serial with. I mean, it was an episodic thing, but I did 4 5 episodes with Pankaj Kapoor sir. He was directing that serial for the Doordarshan. Then I got this film called Mujhe Kuch Kehna Hai, then Tere Naam, and then all I was getting is that same kind of character, the hero ka dost. Then I said no, and I thought I'll do theater. Then for good 12 years, I did theater in Prithvi and everywhere in Bombay with everyone. I mean, from Sunil Shanbag to whatnot, who all, everyone with everyone.
Yeah, I've worked with lots of
Yeah.
your juniors or people who've worked with you, और सब लोग तारीफ तो करते हैं obviously, but they also say कि you're very strict and disciplinarian and can be very very aggressive while directing or when if in charge of the production. How do you accept these charges, Mr. Gopal Datt?
It's a lie. You will have to work with me for that. You come and work
नहीं, but
under
when
my
you come,
direction. Then
see, that's
then
the
you will
thing.
know how what a sweet guy.
नहीं, मैंने सुना कि एक परिवर्तन हो जाता है, there's a switch that changes in the body because जब आप हमारे साथ है or if you're working just as an actor, I presume you're a different personality, especially with us. I think you come there like it's your NGO. You see two old people who don't do anything properly and you feel bad and
Correct.
you want to help them. ये सही बात है ना? So you're
Correct.
NGO. A week that wasn't your
Yeah.
NGO, you come there to help us and you're smiling. You
Yeah.
know how people are with their children. The children does potty in
Yeah.
public. You're not upset. You're beta koi tension nahi, whatever. So that's your attitude. But when you're directing a play production, a show, or you've written something, it's your, completely your creativity. Then apparently tu to जानवर बन जाता है, and you actually
हाँ.
attack people. You physically assault men
बस
and you almost touch women. Please, सच का सामना.
no.
Tell us the truth.
सच का सामना यह है कि you tell me the name of those guys. I want to see them. I'm a sweet person. I'm telling you, Cyrus. Just tell me those. Who are those people who told you this? Just tell me.
You'll have to check with Pegasus, sir. The list is there with the government. I don't have the list right now. You'll have to make a call and check. But okay, that's a good opening for us to get to week that wasn't. We have a common friend, Pawan, who now works with Crick Info, used to be the producer of our show.
Yeah.
And Pawan was a good pal of yours as well. And he brought you to the show in 2006 or 7. Am I right?
It was before the election. I don't know what year that was, but
Just before the election.
uh,
So 2009 was the election, if I
so
remember correctly.
14.
So 7, yeah, 8,
हाँ, so
2008.
2008.
Huh.
2008. Yeah, 2008.
Yeah. And you came to the show. Now I'm going to allow you, Gopal, to talk. I won't interrupt you. You came to what you thought was a professional show. और आप दरवाजा खुला, द्वार
Yeah,
खुला था, आप अंदर आए, अंदर
दरवाजा
आके आपने हाय हाय बोला सबके साथ, and obviously I think that was okay. उसके बाद what culture shock happened? What changed in your life? Please, I'm allowing you to speak freely here, and if you want to point fingers at that fat
Yeah.
guy who directs the show, I want you to do it openly.
So when I came from NSD, I thought I know everything about acting. I thought now now I can do whatever style, whatever form you give me, I'll do something. I know that form or style. But when I met the great Lord, Lord Kunal Vijayakar, my whole perception was changed. So, जैसा कि you know, but audience
But
doesn't know कि
एग्जाम्पल को दे दो. हाँ.
एक है NSD और एक है LSD. तो LSD है लॉर्ड स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा.
करेक्ट.
लॉर्ड
For
स्कूल ऑफ
people who
ड्रामा में जो आप सीखते हो वो आप कहीं नहीं सीख सकते. लॉर्ड स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा के रूल्स हैं जैसे कि माय फर्स्ट टेक इज माय सेकंड टेक. It's a great line.
explain that for those who because when he said it the first time, I think you fell down with laughter. So I think you or me, somebody
Yeah.
requested कि एक और. I think there was a mistake. The reason to the take was not even an expression. It was just there's actual mistake in the copy. हाँ, तो
Yeah.
गलती को correct करने के लिए do the take
It
again.
was a factual mistake.
Factual error, यार.
It was a factual mistake, not this thing. The performance में तो कोई mistake हो ही नहीं सकता.
कभी नहीं इल्जाम उठाएगा.
कभी हाँ. लेकिन factual mistake था and you said कि एक और take करते हैं, let's do a second take, and Lord said no, my first take is my second take, which make no sense, but it's a great wisdom if you understand. It's like a Zen story. You know. तो
अभी सच
I
बताओ
want to tell
because आप sorry go on
no आई एम सेइंग कि मैं ऑडियंस को बताना चाहता हूँ कि LSD जो है लॉर्ड स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा, इट्स लाइक अ ड्रग ऑफ एक्टिंग. एक बार आपने ड्रग कर लिया LSD का, फिर आप दूसरी एक्टिंग नहीं कर सकते देन, क्योंकि ये इतना कंफर्टिंग, इतना बढ़िया एक्टिंग स्टाइल है जिसके लिए आपको जो कहीं ट्रेनिंग मिलता नहीं है. ये
पहला नशा और आखिरी नशा also. That's what it is.
पहला या जिसमें आप लाइन याद नहीं करनी है आपको, जिसमें आप दूसरा टेक नहीं है. तो
and then tell them about the other thing. जब लॉर्ड को ऐसा कुछ परफॉर्मेंस चाहिए तो लॉर्ड एक्टिंग करके दिखाते हैं आपको, वो कैसे करते हैं? Because I think that kind of acting since 17th century you have not seen. So tell us about that.
That's the main thing of LSD ना, वही तो LSD का main crux of the story है कि ये करके बस एक टेक में करना है, ये करके दिखाना है, और अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा he'll tell you ये पंच को कैसे स्ट्रेस दे के फेंक देना है. So it's a great learning. I mean, मुझे लग रहा है जो ऑडियंस है उसको लगे ये बहुत इन हाउस जोक है, हमारे नहीं, बट बिकॉज थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ेगा ना लॉर्ड कुणाल विजयकर उनके बारे में.
नहीं, but I think इसमें real comedy track क्या है? इसमें comedy track है कि you come from a professional background of NSD and for 15,000 years they have put in your head कि ये करो वो करो ये करो, discipline of theatre, discipline of acting, discipline of getting a production out, and then you come somewhere where a guy says oh bas that's done हो गया that's okay. And I remember when you're telling Kunal, you as an actor alone, there is nobody in the frame, only you are requesting कि मुझे एक और take करना है मेरे लिए. And why? And
No.
he said why? And you were like, what? No directors ever told you why.
So this is a great learning.
So how did you? What when you leave the studio? What goes through your mind? Shoot होने के बाद जब आप वापस real life में वापस, I mean you're going back to reality. तो उस time पे what क्या सोच विचार है आपके मन में? Because you've gone through something.
It's like coming out of a meditation class. कि आप किसी ऐसा कहीं बाहर थे और फिर आप we are coming back to reality. Oh, अच्छा, now
Atma basically has gone and now your Atma has come back. It goes into your body again and then you carry on because you had this change, this badlav in the atmosphere around you. But having said that, Gopal, everyone sees Gopal Datt as this serious actor. I want to quickly, before we have the break and get Silvery and talk about the OTT bit, but the fact that you've done such strong roles, you're looking at all these greats, Premchand, Haq, Iqbal, Manto, all these people that you've done, Shakespeare, and then suddenly you come to the kind of work we do. A lot of people a lot of actors find that a little difficult to do. They look down on, but you haven't done that. You've been able to, do some real, what we would call rubbish infantile sketches, all the way down to the greats, the Shakespeare's, the Premchands, without any problem. How do you explain that?
I think I enjoy this, yeah, Cyrus. Honestly, it's a great show.
You
I
have
for
dressed as a
me.
woman badminton player with a short skirt. That very
Three of
evening,
us.
you were doing
You.
that very evening. You're doing Chekhov with Prithvi. I'm just saying. Morning, you're Saina Nehwal. Evening, you're doing on the harmfulness of tobacco in chaste Urdu. So, I mean, explain that. I mean, that's just ridiculous.
सारे इट्स लाइक वो आप घर का खाना और वॉट एवर अच्छा खाना और फिर आपने सडनली एक रोड साइड पे एक पानी पूरी खा लिया तो मजा तो पानी पूरी खाने में है क्या तो वीकडे वाजंट इज लाइक दैट रोड साइड पानी पूरी और तीखा पानी पूरी मम्मी की ये क्या किया और देन यू आर हैविंग योर नॉर्मल मील इट्स लाइक दैट
I mean, we've been called many things that week that wasn't, but never Pani Puri. I think that's almost like a praise. So I think we should accept it. We shouldn't fight that. Yeah, but I think people should know
correct,
because
correct.
you're a very respected sort of actor and all that, no doubt about that. The fact that you don't look down on anything, you whatever you're doing, you just I look at Amitabh Bachchan's example sometimes in movies like Lavaris where he's basically playing Mere Angane Mein and that kind of playing that kind of character and all that, but he does it with such flair and I mean just throws himself into it. So in that sense, there's a little bit of a lesson from the Gopal Datt school of acting, which is it doesn't matter what it is, it matters how the performance is. And of course, you're allowed only one take because one take is your
Yeah.
last take. So you've never felt bad doing it. That
Correct,
was
correct.
Let's just clarify. You never came out thinking, "मैंने क्या किया आज? शर्म की बात
No,
है."
no.
मुझे- I hope कि TV cancel कर दे program. You've never felt that. Do you think it's helped your career?
No.
Because then suddenly you became an OTT superstar. I mean, almost overnight. I think Pictures, if I remember correctly, I'm trying to remember which was the first show, but
Not not picture. I mean, not only pictures because it came 2 3 things came together
Gopal, you're
like
showing off. What the hell, yaar?
pictures and then what?
Bolo. I'm
No,
kidding.
no.
Come on.
So I'm saying AIB, AIB and TVF and वो एक साथ आया. So it's वो AIB का Honest series and then TVF का
And you were the
pictures.
rare.
तो वो एक
Gopal
साथ
was
सब
the
आया
rare.
and
You were the rare person who was
yeah,
in both camps, AIB and TVF. Generally, there were a few actors who were working with one and a few
yes,
actors with the other. You were the one of the rare ones who were in both. So
yeah,
and I think right till the end. Does AIB still exist?
yeah. No, the company doesn't exist, but I am still in touch with all the people who, I mean,
Separately.
तन्मय के साथ में अभी भी कुछ कुछ करता हूँ और
Correct.
separately,
Plus
yeah.
all the money that they owe you, which they haven't paid. So you have to stay in touch with everyone. But so coming back, so Pictures definitely. Before that, what was the first show that you remember? OTT show?
The big show was pictures only, but I did few sketches before that for TVF. So I started with a video called Tech Con Call with your dad. So where my
Yeah, they were damn funny.
doc, yeah. So the
That's the one.
daughter
One of
is
them on the
explaining.
car, in the car with the daughter and oh yeah.
Yeah. That one.
I
But
wish we could play that.
that
That's
was. Uh, it
that.
went
Those were
viral. It went viral.
It went viral. It was very funny. I remember that. And yeah, those were the early days. But we forgot to mention that before that, you launched Salman Khan in a movie called Tere Naam, where he played your friend. Am I right?
Zarur. Yes,
Give
you're
us
right.
give us some insights into that. Uh, What was that like? I remember he wanted you to work out with him or something.
It was यार वो लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस था because I never met a star as big. I mean Salman Khan is Salman Khan ना तो वो मेरा लाइफ का वो था कि पहली बार मैंने किसी स्टार को ऐसे देखा था कि ओ what a star is. So I was mesmerized. I was like, what is this? What is happening? What an मतलब ऐसा 15 लोग एक साथ आ रहे हैं एंड दे ऑरा एंड व्हाटएवर, आई मीन इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. उससे ज्यादा मैं यहाँ कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा साइरस.
बिकॉज दर भी एक पिक्चर है, उसमें शाहरुख खान था, बट दैट्स अनदर स्टोरी. But what is the acting style? I want to ask one question. This is a very important question, Gopal. So think and answer.
हाँ.
Salman Khan School of Acting, Kunal Vijayakar School of Acting और गोपाल दत्त बीच में. आप बताओ अभी कोई लिंक है सलमान खान स्कूल ऑफ एक्टिंग और कुणाल विजयकर स्कूल ऑफ एक्टिंग के बीच में?
एक्चुअली लिंक तो नहीं है, बट मैं आई विल प्रेफर लॉर्ड स्कूल ऑफ एक्टिंग एनी डे बिकॉज इट्स क्विकर. कि आधे घंटे में सब हो गया. उसमें क्या है कि उसमें बहुत टाइम लगता है.
आने के लिए टाइम लगता है, but he doesn't hang around. He likes to shoot fast, doesn't he?
या वो भी है, बट फॉर अस हम लोग तो हमको तो टाइम पे ही जाना पड़ता था ना. हमारा 9 से 9 का शिफ्ट है, तो हम लोग 9 से 9 हैं. बट लॉर्ड स्कूल ऑफ एक्टिंग में क्या है, आप 10 बजे गए और 11 o'clock you're free. You're free for the week.
Okay. Speaking of free, I think we'll take a quick break. We've crossed the time already. Let's get Silvery in. Silvery Gopal is the producer. Antariksh उसका सही नाम है Antariksh, but we call him Silvery. Long story. He's a famous stand-up comedian in his own right, and he's a big fan of yours. And he wants some tips about how to become a better actor. So be nice to him.
Oh, so
Silvery?
Antariksh and Silvery is the same person.
Yes,
हाँ, वो
correct.
टैक्स प्रोफेसर्स के लिए वो दो नाम रखा ना, टैक्स अवॉइडेंस के लिए.
Yeah, correct.
ओह अच्छा, वो बिल गेट्स वाला स्टोरी है.
Exactly,
Silvery
without the
yeah.
money.
Also,
Antariksh is married to Silvery.
Yes,
exactly.
yes.
But the two characters' ages are different. Silvery is a lot younger, so as Silvery, I can work longer. If I had a government job. But I don't.
Oh wow. Nice.
Okay.
Big brothers watching us,
हाँ.
Gopal, तो be little careful. Really bad यार कि हम लोग के ऊपर कुछ हुआ नहीं.
Yeah, you feel a little left out, right? You feel a little left out.
Self-esteem की बात है इसमें. That why aren't they probing us? We say bad things, we make fun, we criticize, but we have no consequence. We are so low that they don't care.
Not deemed a
Kunal
threat.
Kamra has security in Dubai. Far away there, he's safe.
Oh.
And here, nothing. We keep saying government call, government, nothing, not a call. I don't know what's going on.
I think
I could tell
वीडियो
Gopal's-
बाहर आएगा ना, राज कुंद्रा वाला वीडियो, your video.
अरे मैं
Then people
Yeah,
will
yeah.
मैं वीडियो में हूँ. I'm already in 2 videos.
I know.
There is a scene between the husband
So
and the
now
wife,
what?
and the room service guy who comes in
हाँ.
and gives the pizza is me.
Okay.
One take, huh? One take. Actually,
And quick.
Gopal, you think Kunal should have been in porn? Maybe that would have been the correct place for him.
ओ हाँ, वो तो एकदम नया जॉनर है, वो एकदम है ना.
हाँ. मैं उसका
Disgusting
टेक्निक और
porn.
स्टाइल जो है, हाँ, all his thinking and philosophy is suitable for very quick shooting. Quick shooting का मतलब है this is the place where you have to do quick
हाँ.
shooting, sometimes illegal shooting. So I would think that would have been a strong point for him.
हाँ. Correct.
I think Gopal
So
is
this
not
is the
liking the
break,
idea
right?
because this is the visual in your mind that's going on of Kunal in porn, and I think that's upset you a lot. So I'll just give you 1 second to recover. I'll take that visual out of your mind as quickly as possible. Yeah. The break is over.
I think it can be a remedy for. मैं कह रहा हूँ it can be a remedy for the porn addict people. उनको वो कुणाल का क्लिप दिखाओ, then नहीं.
Beautiful. So it's like how to stop smoking. It's like that. Anti-porn. It's an anti-porn viral effect. Fabulous. I think it's a great idea. Let's lock that as an idea for later, for sure. Sorry, but the break is over. The break is just a practice break till we have proper sponsors. And till then we just say break. So we, it's like good karma. एक बार हो जाएगा. हम होंगे कामयाब. India will win medals. That kind of feeling. So the break came and went. So like a Rahul Gandhi
अच्छा
speech. You just don't seem to recollect it properly, but it was there.
मतलब आप
We are
लोगों
going
को
into the
आप लोगों को ऐसा होप है कि एक दिन इस जगह पे ऐड आएंगे ऐसा है ना
Arey, our bad luck, yeah, Gopal. We were this close to getting a sponsor till 2 days ago. You know what happened, na? Hello?
नहीं yes
Can you hear me,
what
Gopal?
happened
Yeah.
We
I
were
can
this
hear
close
you
to
I
getting
can
the
hear you
sponsor.
yeah
No, we were this
what
close, but
happened
then Raj Kundra got arrested. So, you know, I
Yeah.
mean, I was
Now they're sponsoring his
almost
app.
signed. Almost signed. Almost signed. Yeah. Anyway,
why
such is
don't you
Alright.
life.
talk to Poonam Pandey
Sorry?
why don't you talk to Poonam Pandey she can sponsor you
Actually, I think Poonam Pandey had come to week that wasn't for an audition. And that great person you have mentioned many times, I think he rejected her amongst his many
अरे
mistakes.
यार
इतने सारे गलती एक लाइफ में, I
correct
mean, it's not fair. I can't even list it, yaar. Just too many. Uh, okay, so before we go into the AMAs, this
Yep.
second half we basically take AMAs. Gopal, हमारे पास बहुत, you would not believe this, fan following इतना है, and it comes from across the world. And by across the world, I mean basically from Bangladesh and little bit we get from Bhutan. But let me tell you honestly, there's
okay
lots of people who are watching this show and lots who watch it live. So sometimes they'll even ask questions of the guest as he's sitting there. And these can't be made up. They will be provocative questions, so please answer them properly. But
Yeah.
what
before,
is AMA Cyrus I'm not there
in
what is
Tamil, it's
AMA
basically it means mother in many South Indian languages. But in this what
Amma
In
acronym,
English.
it's
Yeah.
ask me anything, or
Yeah.
is there any, what does it stand for?
Ask me
oh
anything. Yeah.
okay
Correct.
ask me anything
Ask me anything.
Yeah.
Ask me anything.
All right. The first
Which
one
is
comes
what?
in. Yeah. Please
okay
go ahead, Cyrus.
Sorry, I thought that's what Raj Kundra was telling the police. But anyway, go on. Go on.
I can- uh, this first one comes in from Harvesh Kasad. Harvesh says, "Hello Gopal, how challenging or entertaining is it to play characters
hi
at
hi
the week that wasn't? Your impersonation of Mr. Akhtar is my favorite. And Cyrus, which is your favorite impersonation by Gopal on the week that wasn't?"
Okay, let Gopal answer first. Gopal, how difficult A, or then he's asking about the Akhtar
I
joke.
how challenging I already told you how challenging because we have a different school of acting it's called LSD Lord School of Acting जिसमें वो my first take is my second take होता है so challenging तो बहुत है और entertaining भी बहुत है because वो हमारे जो डायरेक्टर हैं लॉर्ड कुणाल विजयकर ही इज अ मास्टर ऑफ मेकअप सो जब आप वो हमारा जो मेकअप मैन के बाद वो फाइनल टच देते हैं आपको एंड देन व्हेन यू
Oh,
सी
makeup.
योरसेल्फ तो वो बहुत
Sylvie,
एंटरटेनिंग कई
what
बार
Gopal is saying, which I don't think people have understood really, is he actually makes the makeup man insecure because what he really likes to do is the background of a show and the makeup. These two and my tie. You ask Gopal. These are the things he only focuses on. But so this is
या
this is not a joke. And he screams at the makeup man who does all the hard work, bichara. And then this is the rich man cooking ka style. Rich man aate hain na pan mein sab kuch lagaya, and rich man just puts the jalaus the aag like that. That's what he does. He doesn't do
जस्ट
anything more generally.
जस्ट गिव अ टच हाँ
Give a touch and take
सो या
credit.
हाँ
Uh, but there's
सो
also
अख्तर
two
इज
things
माय
about.
फेवरेट एक्चुअली
Okay, let me explain.
सॉरी सर
Akhtar is
साइरस गो
completely the creation of Gopal. Okay, this is a Gopal creation. And there are two schools in the school of acting that we have. One is my writing style, which is very lazy and open, and his writing style, which is every word and then he wants it said the way he wants it said. So now Gopal can handle him properly, but in the old days he used to actually act out. And Gopal, then you must say, he went there and stress on there, and he would emphasize so much, and Gopal would be just staring at him, saying, "Can such a human being exist? Can a person actually perform like this? And can this be a director for any art form in the world, in any culture, in any time period?" So my style is a little bit more flexible. So there, we'll let go. I don't want to take credit, but I like Gopal to be Gopal because he then creates. That's what actors should do in any case. You give him a premise and then he takes off from there. So Chaktar, which he created completely, was his own thing. There are 2-3 things that we know that he plays really well. Chaktar, Nasir, he does a great Nasir. Hey, do a Nasir, what do you call it, Nakal for us, na? Gopal. Oh, where does the guy, wo line, wo iconic
ये
line, wo,
थोड़ा
na?
मुश्किल देखिए ये थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा उसके लिए थोड़ा सा प्रिपरेशन लगती है उसके लिए थोड़ा तैयारी लगती है और ये जो आप समझ रहे हैं वो इतना आसान नहीं है
Wow.
so I mean
That's great. That's really shy. Yeah, yeah.
So
That's
when
great.
Nasir forgets Nasir, he calls up Gopal immediately and gets a quick take. But I'll take the second part of the question of what is the favorite of Gopal. Gopal, because the option is working with Kunal and working with Gopal in any collective piece. Kunal doesn't like improv. Kunal doesn't like ad-lib. Kunal doesn't like doing anything out of the box. Gopal, on the other hand, you have real fun. So I enjoy. We used to do these IPL gags, football gags where we have a loose gag and we are doing our own thing around it, like an improv format. And working with him there is the best because then we don't know what we are going to say to each other. We have had laughing. We had laughing scenes where we can't control the laughter. It's not about the joke. The laughter is always internalized about something. Kuch hua piche, kuch hua. Somebody said something, whatever. And I mean, that's so much fun. I can't tell you. But the only one person who doesn't enjoy all that.
It's Kunal.
yeah
एक ही बंदा
and
जो सेट पे आके no smile. I mean, we are falling off the chair because something stupid has happened. I mean, that we're discussing that badminton segment we had done where Indian women started playing, doing well 10 years ago, winning everything, the rise of Saina, Nehwal, etc. And we are dressed in skirts, and it was just so funny. The crew was laughing, and Kunal, all right, enough. Let's get on with it. He's just totally out of the gag.
correct correct
Yeah, so I enjoyed a lot of the improvs we have done. We've even shot a version of Bakra on the streets together. We had a lot of fun there. Gopal is a nicer human being than me. We found out very quickly. Huh? I was far more mean to the people on the road than him. Let's put it that way. Yeah, so there are a lot of things that he does which we love. I mean, I think the Chief Minister of Delhi, he has immortalized him. I don't think anyone can do it as well as him. This is from the time when he was wearing the muffler and the cough and all that. So those are very strong things. That has changed. He's changed with it. If you watch the way he's changed the character, he's gone from that loud Kejriwal character, which he was, the real original, to what he is now, where he's more subtle and he tries to smile more and all that. So, lots of good characters. And the great thing is he does all this for no money. The money is negligible. So it's just ridiculous. It's like the ultimate bakra for me, really. And he's going. We've seen his growth of his career and his career index and graph. And as he gets more famous and earns more money and charges more, he comes back here to do this nonsense with a completely insane director, who has no interest in the art form, only in his features, the background, and the clothes and my tie, and and then he has to go back to Delhi crime with 1,000 people on set और पूरा script को correct per comma या per sentence का full stop पे people ध्यान लगाते हैं उस पे and then come back here whatever happens. So I think it's therapy for Gopal. Gopal cannot not have a show. It's like how you go drinking on Friday night. You cleanse your system and you come back. So he needs that drink.
correct
But there is so many. Gopal has done over 400, 500 characters. I mean, if you sit down and count them, it will be literally cannot be less than that. So I can't even think of some of them. There will be so many we've forgotten. But the collective stuff we've done together has been great fun here. Honestly, I remember once we were playing police officers and we were kicking Mohit. Okay, so Silvery, can you imagine all their goodness? I mean, it was supposed to be one kick or something, and I don't know what happened, but he became like a football. We just kept. Yeah, that was fun. These little things that when
and
you're
the
on
best
that side of the camera.
the best gags are those cricket ones where we don't know how to end this. We
We
start
don't know how to
something
end it. Yeah.
and we have no idea how we'll end this gag. So that's the
No, but
most fun
there's that one
thing.
gag which I loved where Kaniz is we do the scene where Kaniz is dead, right? She's the mother and she's dead. and the body is kept there because we are superstitious. So one banda is asking the other one ki abhi bhi hai, abhi lash padi hai udhar. The other guy says, हाँ, तो क्यों? अरे Kolkata Knight Riders जीता था ना उस दिन. The body stays in the same spot. It was a really bad joke, but I think we couldn't do that take. We took about 5 takes for that because every time you have to say that live. Last week जीत गया ना Kolkata Knight Riders. Yeah, lots of fun. Oh, and ask about girls. How many girls have worked on our show beyond Kanis? Gopal?
Sorry. What was the question?
One of the great things of London School of Economics is Kunal Vijayakar is that how many girls has he hired beyond Kanis? He destroyed Aditi Mittal. He, you brought 1 or 2 girls for a short while who worked. Hello?
Yeah, Sarika was there.
Sarika was there for some time.
Sarika came for few weeks. जो कामयाब में थी और she's doing really good अभी रामप्रसाद की 13वीं में.
She'll never ever come back.
Then Shruti Vyas, Sumit Vyas's sister. No.
Correct.
Shruti Vyas, Sumit Vyas's sister.
Never to
वो आई
return.
थी. And then Trishla Patel. ये सब थिएटर के लोग हैं.
So he used all his pull and influence and charm to get us all young girls just before they reached any sort of stardom or while they weren't noticing what was happening, and they performed for us. But 2 or 3 weeks with the learned director and they never came back. So and Gopal's constant complaint from 2008. 2008 से आपके एक ही refrain complaint है कि where are the young girls? Because for some reason, this show doesn't attract. I mean, and not that you should have that thinking when you come to the workplace, but too late now. Gopal has that thinking. We have exposed it. Gopal, you should not be like this.
No,
this is not
Cyrus,
right.
I am only concerned about gender equality. You know.
Correct. Gender parity. It's called. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
What a beautiful thought. Yeah, we must rectify this. There are too many men. 6 men are on the show, and like 3 of them are playing women all the time because there are no women. Yeah, and now even Kanis is in South Africa.
एक से बढ़कर एक मतलब good looking.
Uglier
I must say.
Uglier and uglier.
Yeah.
On the scale of attractiveness, yes. You don't have to tell the viewer. Whoever's actually watched the show, I'm sure that's a given here. You know.
Correct.
Okay, let's get the next question.
All right, the next one comes in from Rameshwar Patra. He says, so many years with a week that wasn't, and still Gopal got his fame via AIB and TVF. How does that make you feel, Cyrus?
Well, Gopal, how does that make you feel? We explained it's an NGO. Yeah, it's an NGO.
Yeah.
Nobody knows why you come back. You don't get fame. You don't get money. You don't even get practice. It doesn't even help your art. The only thing is, there's no reason. The only thing is from your side, you're doing something. You know, it can only be that from your side, it's the reason. It's not, there's no reason that we can give. Correct?
But the honest reason is that I love to spend time with Cyrus and Kunal. That's the honest, this thing. वो बाकी that acting thing is NGO thing, as Cyrus said. It's an NGO work. Yeah. Gopal has to deal with very different personalities. I think people think that Kunal and me are similar because we spend time together, but we are so not similar. And I think he enjoys that also. No, not at all. Yeah.
And now we saw a miracle in our last shoot. See, this is worth it. This is why Gopal comes there, because when you get that miracle, then your whole life becomes worthwhile. Kunal walked home from the shoot because he's now on a health kick to save his life. So Gopal couldn't believe it because he has never walked. Firstly, when we shoot, his character is always sitting. His character never stands. Ask Gopal. Am I right, Gopal?
Correct.
He loves the character who's in a wheelchair.
And now suddenly he's...
Let gaya bed pe, so he takes that character. 100%. Am I right, Gopal? He'll fight with you. No, I'll play that. And then yesterday while shooting, he suddenly decided
he's walking kilometers.
Kilometers. But this is some reverse karma.
Kilometers.
No, but he's got a pancreatitis issue, so he's got a proper health issue now, and that fear has made him. Now he's on a diet, and he started walking. So I hope Gopal that doesn't turn you off, yaar. वो नवाब culture जो आपने देखा था 2008 से, if it changes to leftist culture, you don't need that. You don't need to see more of that. You want to see the Nawab, the man whose driver drops him to the lobby of the building,
Correct.
all the under, right there. So he has to just be pushed into the lift. Yeah. Yeah. It's great. The thing is, Gopal comes
Now
on the
the
set.
audience can imagine how much we love Kunal Vijayakar.
But Gopal, yesterday when you came on the set, also he was in Delhi shooting some big show for 2 weeks, so he wasn't there for 2 weeks. So when he came, he always comes happy on our set. Generally, for early morning, most actors and technicians don't always come with big smile, but Gopal comes to the set like it's a birthday party, and I know for a fact this is the only place he comes like that.
Yes.
Elsewhere he'll have a script, he'll be learning lines, he'll be looking at thing, his mind will be here. He just comes so relaxed. Hey, Broacha! He screams from far, hand raised, and it's like college days. The lack of respect for what he's going to do, because there's no fear and there's no tension and there's no thought in his head about it. It's just a good children's party.
Yes.
It's fabulous.
Yeah, it's like meeting. It's not shooting for me. It's meeting friends. Meeting with friends and doing something
Meeting
on the camera, for the camera.
meeting strange friends. Or apna week there wasn't ka bhi culture mein, there are 2-3 things which Gopal loves. I'll tell you. One is we have one red banyan. The red banyan, he loves it so much. He wants to do a special only called Lal Banyan. Because Lal Banyan itself has been worn by all characters. Whether you are playing wrestler, whether you are playing farmer, whether you are playing aerobics instructor, whatever, it's just been used. Right, Gopal?
No, not just that. वो सबने पहना है. कुणाल ने, मैंने, साइरस ने, कनीज ने, आइविन ने, मोहित ने, जो और लड़कियां आई उन्होंने सबने वो रेड बनियान पहना है. So I want to do a show special called the Red Banyan Show. The special week that was the Red Banyan special.
If that banyan could talk, if only that banyan could spill the beans. Yeah, we've really had limited resources. Okay, let's see if we can squeeze a couple of questions. Mr. Silvery.
Next one is a fun one from Jyoti Sutar. She says, what would your reaction be if you found your name on, or if you found your numbers on the Pegasus list? What would you be most afraid of being found out about you?
I would firstly say thank God. That gives us some consequence in society, finally. Otherwise, once again, like the guy said before, he got his fame through TVF. Nobody recognizes you from TW. So that would be great. I think we are in a position, Gopal, we need a little bit of notoriety and what is this? Negative press. It won't hurt us. What do you think? Will you be proud? मैं आ गया list पे.
Correct. लिस्ट पे किसी लिस्ट में तो आया मैं.
Finally, yeah. Silvery, is there anything you are hiding from?
I mean,
would you be hiding anything?
No, my life is an open book. I invite people to hack my phone. Go ahead, guys. It's a challenge. No, don't do it.
But in any case,
मेरा तो इतना easy है. अभी मैं shoot पे एक लड़की ने मुझे बोला कि अरे ये फोन का कोड आप बदलिए, ये सबको पता चल जाएगा. मेरा इतना इजी है. मेरे फोन पे तो कुछ नहीं है छिपाने को.
अच्छा, कोड क्या है? 1 2 3 4
something like that.
I mean, really, Gopal. Okay. This is like Kunal thinking again. It's too much to think of numbers. 1 2 3 4.
नहीं, मेरा थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. 1 2 3
1 2 3 5.
Okay, I think we lost Gopal.
It's Gopal, not me, no? I'm worried.
He's either stuck on 4 or 5. You can't tell. Okay, fine.
But now he's screwed because now we can't forget the number. Yeah, exactly. I'm saying because that one number, the audio will play for like a long note, for forever. Yeah.
Gopal, can you hear us?
There's a figure, Silvery, 72%. I read this in one paper. About 72% in the Western world, maybe not in India, use their birth date as the passcode for everything. or some variety from there. So say you're born on 1st January 1970. So 111970 would be your thing, 11 and then 1970. In those 6 numbers, you do everything. And you rearrange those numbers somewhere, whatever. That's like 3 out of 4 people almost. You think that's true? Do you use your birth date?
No, I never use my birth date. For sure. Like I make it a point actually to never use my birth date because I'm like, dude, that's the most common thing. But then I have used 0000. I have used 1234 in the past. It's just what it is.
Yeah, sometimes I think, is it really what the hell are they going to get if they open it anyway? Spawn? What are we hiding? I don't know.
Yeah, that's true.
Am I animal videos? Come on, it's ridiculous. Okay, looks like we've lost our esteemed guest. Hopefully, we'll get him back in the last. We'll ask one more question and see if we can get him back before we end. Yeah.
Sure. The next one comes in from Kumar. He says, what do Cyrus and Gopal, Gopal's not here, what do Cyrus and Gopal have to say about the phallic shape of the Blue Origin rocket that Jeff Bezos took to space?
But thinking about that is, but how can you have a rocket which is not phallic shaped? I mean,
no, but this was especially phallic shaped. If you remember the rocket,
it was
normally rockets have a taper, there's like a taper, so it becomes less.
See, if you're worth billions of dollars, it's your toy. If you want to have fun and make it look like a whatever, it's fine. I don't see it as a major issue, but you think he's trying to make a point?
No.
At the end of the day,
like what? You're right. The first second I tuned into the live stream of him flying to space, I did think, oh, I get it. He's trying to show Richard Branson, hey man, I'm doing it better than you.
Or who's got the bigger rocket?
Who's got
what
a bigger
else
rocket?
Is there to it?
Exactly.
Yeah. But when you have the kind of money, I'm saying you could make it look like a peacock. Gopal, we just ignored the guest and carried on because abhi kya karega? Wi-Fi ka issue hai to Wi-Fi ka issue hai na. So we moved on. We answered both the questions on you, for you.
Gopal, there's a
okay. then
there's a question on screen, Gopal. What do Cyrus and Gopal have to say about the phallic shape of the Blue Origin rocket that Jeff Bezos took to space?
Oh, yeah, it's not. I mean, we should not discuss it in the public.
Besides, we don't need any more phallic-shaped objects in India. यहाँ पे ज़्यादा, I think, overload हो गया, oversubscribe हो गया. We need less, not more. We should send our Blue Origin rockets there straight away, as far as I'm concerned. Well, and that's what I appreciate about Gopal. He's not going to have children, Silvery. He's taken a manath that he will not have kids. And that's just a beautiful gesture. Yeah.
Okay.
He's donating all that stuff to other people. Use bhi nahi karte aajkal. Sir, you retired from the forces. Huh?
I'm the true
when he doesn't want to commit
of Lord Kunal.
Well, in the Indian ethos, there are a couple of brahmacharyas going around, famous ones. Don't worry, you're not alone. There are quite a few big names, which I can't mention, of course. Lord is not a brahmacharya. Lord is a trying charya, because he's not achieving the desired goal. But once he gets his body back in shape and his health back in shape, I think the women will start coming back. What do you think, Gopal?
Yeah, I think so.
What an insincere answer, no? Silvery?
Yeah.
I think this was the best joke we cracked in the show.
Yeah. It was the most unconvincing take. This first take was not your last take. You'll have to do it again.
Correct.
Chalo, let's get one more Gopal question if we can.
Sure. This is kind of a funny one again. It comes from Bruce Wayne. He says, Cyrus is now charging rupees 5,000 on Celebite for a 30 to 60 second video. Your thoughts? Are you not? Oh, I thought he knew this. I don't know if you are.
I think Kaustubh handles all that, so I haven't really paid attention. I'll have to. Yeah. But it's for a 2-second video, I think.
2-second video?
Like, hi. Yeah, and then you get like 5 grand. Hi. 10 grand. Hi. 15 grand. Like that. And then one day I'll have my own Blue Origin rocket. Yeah. And I'll have my own rocket just from doing this. Hi. 20 grand. Gopal, we need these kind of money makers.
Then you'll say
nothing
hi
wrong.
And we'll go to space.
Nothing wrong.
Let me tell you how this ambitious man.
Much for Cyrus, honestly.
Gopal, don't lie. Every day of doing that share thing that you do, he's doing this one property that he's created called Share. Share basically tells one made up sort of share, which is common topic of the day thing. From there, he takes it out,
Okay.
and it's a 4-liner, normal share style. And he's been doing this and he's trying to create this property which is going to make him millions of dollars. And now he's using other actors for free to help propagate the thought and philosophy. So he's a smart guy. Gopal's always got a head for money, huh? Silvery, he's not like us. He's sharp that way. Yeah. कितना followers है अभी Insta पे?
But what I'm saying is 5. Insta पे बहुत कम है. You tell these people to follow me actually. Whoever
Everybody
is
follow
asking
Gopal,
these
please.
questions.
And
Tell
obviously
them
they
to
will
follow.
listen. And obviously everyone listens. Me and Silvery just have to put our head out of the window and say, "Abhi Gopal ko follow karo," and millions are going,
Yeah.
leaving Beijing and following. Forget India.
And I will say hi for 4,500 rupees, less than Cyrus.
And you can say hi in Hindi and English. so you can get you can get 9 grand straight away.
Both.
Namaste, hi. Yeah.
Hi, 4,500. That's my price. Less than Cyrus.
I think the price should be per word. It should literally be per word for the short videos. Anyway, it's mostly like happy birthday, auntie, enjoy your 49th birthday, whatever it is. Per word, we should say happy. Somebody can't afford it. This can't afford happy birthday. Happy bolo. Happy.
Happy.
Can be anything for anniversary also,
Yeah.
for birthday also. Just like
I think we'll put thumbs up and also convey the the positive vibe.
Happy. And we can
Hello.
say it sarcastically also. Happy.
वो भी that's why Kunal will always defeat us, because he'll only give them one take. You'll being an actor, you'll say 4-5 happy bhejoga, and they'll be like, okay, we'll take this one. Kunal will just say one, and but the tie will be perfect. Gopal. Yeah, some of these inside jokes are wasted. They have to meet the guy and see how he is, and then they'll understand what we are going through.
Correct.
Especially the makeup. The makeup thing is just because it's hilarious. Gopal is doing makeup. The makeup man Ivan is doing the makeup, and he'll just push Ivan aside and start slapping Gopal's cheek and saying, "Ye nahi, aisa karo, aisa karo." And just treat him like it's just a piece of plaster. And Gopal I think that's why he does the show, because these are the moments he can't get back. Yeah.
Correct.
Chalo. Let's finish it.
So
Okay,
exactly
how
many people are watching? I just wanted to know the numbers.
Oh, right now we have 87 watching live.
87 watching live.
Oh, not bad.
It was 88.
More than the total audience.
Oh, sorry, it's 176. It's 176 watching live. Sorry, I
170. It was 177, but one guy was on the phone while driving. Sorry about that.
Nice.
This is what you laugh at, Gopal. The meanness of human nature. Chalo. All right. Sylvia, is the last one? What is it?
Let's
Yeah, sure. Let's do one last one. This one comes in from Girish Patil. He says, Gopal sir. Sure. This one says, Girish Patil says, Gopal sir, I loved your work recently in Ek Simple Murder, Sherni, and Wakalat from Home. My question is, when are you? When is your film as a solo lead coming?
I'm looking for a producer. And Cyrus has the money, but he's not giving it to me. Once he'll give this money to me, I'll produce.
You ever see a multimillionaire with a pen like this? It is not possible. Rich people cannot have pens like this. It's just not possible. You have to understand. So,
Cyrus, you're not a millionaire. You are a billionaire.
Just for saying that, I want to hold you tight. But unfortunately, we are bound by technology. But if I had the money, Gopal, I would give it to you. I'll give you 2 movies you can make. The biopic on the making of TWTW, because I think your passion will be in that. And just to, screw with everybody, it'll be shot in the same style. Pura dialogue. One take. If you make a mistake of the character's name, no repeating, just talk fast so no one can tell. Done. Go. Silvery, we have done characters.
That was in behind the scene shoot करके डाल दिया, it is going to be massive hit.
Huge. In all cultures. No one has seen it. No one has seen such behavior. Yesterday, he threw a tantrum over. He was playing Amarinder Singh over the beard, the wrong beard being
Okay.
used. And his exact line to Ivan is 54,000 times I've told you, 54,000 times. And Gopal and me were laughing and laughing, trying not to laugh openly because so
54,000 times.
and the best, here's the best part. The two beards were that they look almost exactly the same, firstly. So no one could understand. And then
Yeah.
Ivan showed me picture of the last time he played Amarinder Singh from the phone with the date on it and everything. It is the beard that he rejected. Okay, so he was wrong. Kunal was actually wrong. But he's just screaming and shouting. That poor guy. Gopal, but really, hats off to you for doing the show. Not just doing the show initially, okay, but as you became more successful and famous, to come back to do the show, because it's like, I mean, at the end of the day, Amitabh Bachchan does not go back to, his school and perform. I mean, he did once. So it's just, there's no excuse for it. So it's just fabulous that you could do this, really. Wonderful, wonderful gesture.
Correct.
Humanitarian, insania. Yeah. What a beautiful
No,
person you are.
Cyrus, I love this show. On a serious note, I love this show. I love Cyrus and Kunal and their chemistry, whatever it is. And I'm really grateful to the week that wasn't, because when I was doing theater for 10 years, the week that wasn't was the source for my bread and butter. And then that's how I sustained in theater. वो तो अभी later on then I got these
अभी ना bread ना
OTT.
butter खरीद सकते हो उसके साथ, but yes, we get your point.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right. But just as we end the show, so who's the nicer guy, Cyrus or Kunal?
I can't hear you, Cyrus.
Very convenient. Very convenient. अब अचानक अभी वाईफाई का प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो गया. Who's the more talented one, Cyrus or Kunal? This is a very tough question.
Hello, Silver.
Okay. All right, guys.
इस टीम
Gopal,
के साथ
thank you.
टैलेंट जाता नहीं है.
I used the wrong words together. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Correct.
Okay. Okay, guys.
But
गोपाल, आज मेरा फिटिंग है. कल विक का टेस्ट था. अभी फिटिंग है आज. अभी आ रहे हैं लोग. I'm not lying. So I have to stop now. Enough is enough.
it's a personal chat now. It's not for your... कितने बजे आया हो?
It's been a personal chat. It's been a personal chat from the beginning. But let it be now. Silver will try and put if you download it later, you'll be able to see. They'll cut away to your shots and all that, explaining Kunal behaving like this, and you in Delhi, you somewhere in Uttarakhand with a sweater, all that. Chalo, bye guys.
Silvery,
I have a life unlike you all.
Silvery, एक मुझे नहीं Cyrus, last thing. एक और हम लोग करेंगे when I want to talk about this whole English Hindi thing. How मैं जब आया था तो मेरा English और कैसे how you guys made me comfortable with whatever English I speak. तो वो we'll do one show about that. And what is the scenario of English
I'll tell you what
speaking?
happened.
I mean, what is the scene with English?
Not only did I improve Gopal's English, I destroyed his Hindi. So I have done two things.
Yes.
I've done both.
But whenever, like on the show, Gopal, whenever whenever we are confused about some Hindi word that comes up or something, for some whatever reason, Cyrus is always like, I will talk to my Hindi correspondent, Gopal Datt, because he knows his shit. That's always Cyrus' go-to.
Gopal's Hindi is like, it's profound Hindi. He can speak Urdu properly. I mean, he's not like a Bombay guy who speaks decent Hindi. But so for him, it's a culture shock when we start speaking. But there's a big difference because see, I love speaking in Hindi and I don't care about my bad Hindi. But Kunal has a very acting way of speaking Hindi, and I can see his ears jar more with him. Because I just speak bad Hindi, but I speak it fluently badly. He, on the other hand, he goes into this. मैं अभी अंग्रेजी में हिंदी बात करता है और मेरा जो inflections वैसा ही है. And then you can see Gopal, because he's trying to please Gopal by getting into Hindi, and Gopal's like, why? In his mind saying, please don't speak. It's great fun.
No, but
I wish we didn't
हम
discuss
एक
this so
शो
many things.
करेंगे, एक पॉडकास्ट करेंगे जब कैसे इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग एक स्टेटस सिंबल है और कैसे उसका वो है अबाउट द उसके बारे में एक पॉडकास्ट अलग से करेंगे. That's what I'm saying. है ना?
Okay.
Yeah.
We should
Yeah,
do it.
of course. We'd
But
love
you
to
have
have you
learned so
back.
much from me, Gopal. हाँ, I've taught you so many things.
Yeah.
कि ये सब complexes को dustbin में डाल दो. Just go forward. अगर Russia में काम मिला तो with one
Correct.
line of Russian we will go there. Not to worry. Acting is 90% confidence, 10% language. Sudhir Joshi Zindabad.
Yes.
Silvery, the famous Sudhir Joshi, Marathi thespian and Hindi film actor as well. He came up with this line once when he was doing his first English play with Rahul Decunia, who's Gopal's mentor. And
Yeah.
Rahul was getting worried. He didn't know his lines, 2 days to go.
Hmm.
So he was going, Bahu, Bahu, can you get the lines right? Can you get the lines right? Bahu, please. And Sudhir said, Rahul, understand one thing. Acting, 90% confidence, 10% language.
Wow.
That's a beauty. It's actually completely true as far as I'm concerned, honestly. Yeah. And he was fabulous in the play.
Yeah, yeah.
In a language
It's a
which is like
great
his
line.
third language. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, enough great lines. I've got to walk dogs in costume trial. फिर कबीर बेदी के
Yeah.
साथ podcast.
Yeah.
एक दिन में बहुत काम होते हैं भाई. Let's talk in the Hindi. Let's talk in the Hindi. Listen, Gopal,
Chalo.
great honor having you on our podcast. Finally,
Thanks a lot.
next time we have you on, we'll discuss why you didn't come for so long. But the fact of the matter, Silvery, is that he was on his way to the studio 3 years ago, and the lead actress had an attack of panic. This is a true story. He didn't make it up. Where she
Oh,
went,
yes.
she had to be hospitalized. It was just a
Oh.
ridiculous story, but all true.
Yeah.
While he was on
But,
route, he was called. He had to go back to a house, help her, take her to hospital, etc., etc. And so this is the story of
Wow.
Gopal behind the scenes. वो बाद में बता सकते हैं, अभी time नहीं है. So you guys have a good day, rocking weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye everybody.
Bye,
I don't
bye,
know why I'm
bye,
waving.
bye,
No one
bye.
waves
Thank
back.
you,
Yeah,
everyone.
bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.